back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss hydrocarbon for class 10. As the name indicates, compounds of carbon with hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Compound of carbon with hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. There are two types of hydrocarbons. First is saturated hydrocarbon, second is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which contain carbon-carbon single bond. It is the indication of saturated hydrocarbons. There is a single bond between carbon and carbon, and they are called alkanes. They are called alkanes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which contain either carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. Carbon-carbon double bond is the indication of alkene, and carbon-carbon triple bond is the indication of alkyne. So basically we have three types of hydrocarbons: alkane, alkene and alkyne. They are identified by nature of a bond. If carbon-carbon single bond, that is alkane. If carbon-carbon double bond, that is alkene, and if carbon-carbon triple bond, that is alkyne. They have the general formula also. So first we are going to discuss alkane. First is alkanes. The basics general formula is CnH2n plus 2. N is the number of carbon and N is the number of carbon. And there is a IUPAC nomenclature of alkane, alkene and alkyne and all the organic compounds. So first thing is what word is given to C1, C2, C3. If there is one carbon, what word we use? If there is two carbon, what word we use? That is called root word. Root word indicates number of carbon atoms in any organic compound. If there is one carbon, then root word is meth. If there is two carbon, root word is it. If there is three carbon, root word is prop. C for but, C5 pent, C6 hex, C7 hect, C8 off. If any hydrocarbon or any organic compound contains one carbon, then root word is meth, two carbon eth, three carbon prop, four carbon but, five carbon pent, six carbon hex, seven carbon hect, and eight carbon is off. And if a compound belongs to alkane, then ane is the secondary. Sorry, ane is the suffix of that compound. So root word plus suffix. Suffix indicates the nature of carbon-carbon. Suffix indicates the nature of carbon-carbon bond. So let's draw a series of alkane. If there is one carbon, then formula will be CH4. 2 plus 2, 4. Now this is methane. If we draw the electronic dot structure of methane, as we know, carbon contain 4 electrons and each hydrogen contain 1 electron. This is the electronic dot structure of methane. First member of alkane, that is methane. Right? If we put n equal to 2, formula will be C2H6. Now for 2 carbon we use it, and if there is single bond between carbon, then suffix is ane. So methane. First member methane, second member ethane. If we draw the electronic dot structure again, carbon single bond is formed, remaining electrons are shared with hydrogen. So we can say this is a ethane and electronic dot structure of ethane. We can rewrite it as CH3 CH. This is the second member of alkane. If we put N3 C3 H8, now it is called propane. Why propane? Because for 3 carbon we use word pro. If we put 4 C4 H10, now it is butane. Why butane? For 4 carbon we use but. Single bond ane, butane. N equal to 5 C5 H12. This is pentane. N equal to 6 C6 H14. Now this is hexane. These are the first 6 members of alkane: methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, and hexane, and so on. We can write more. The indication is hydrogen must be 2 higher than the double plus 2 number of hydrogens are higher than carbon. Right? We can again see and find it. If we observe the members, there is a difference of CH2 group in 2 consecutive members. CH4, C2H6. There is a difference of CH2 group. Similarly, ethane to propane, CH2 difference. So 2 consecutive members are differ by group CH2. If we know the first hydrocarbon, first alkane, methane, if we add CH2 group in methane, we will obtain ethane. If we add CH2 group in ethane, we will obtain propane. That is a short trick. If you know the first member, just add the CH2 group, you will get the next member. Right? Second hydrocarbon is alkene. Alkene, it is identified by the nature of bond. There will be at least 1 double bond between 2 carbons. Its general formula is CnH2n. Again, n is the number of carbon. So, what will be the first member of alkene? Now, try to understand if there is a 1 double bond. So, at least we need at least 2 carbons. So methane will not be possible. The first member of alkene is ethene, starts with 2 carbons. Put the value to C2H4. This is ethene. Eth for 2 carbon, and if there is a double bond, then we use the suffix ene. If you draw the structure, there is a double bond, remaining valency is satisfied by hydrogen. So we can write CH2 double bond CH2. This is ethane. For 3 carbon, N equal to 3 C3H6. Now this is propane. Again we can see the difference between two consecutive members is CH2 group. In ethene and propane there is a difference of right. Put the value for N equal to 4 C4 H8. Now this is butane. C N equal to 5 C5 H10 20. Even we can put 6 N equal to 6 C6 H12. That is hexene. So these are the consecutive members of alkene, identified by there is a double bond between carbon and carbon. At least one double bond must be there, right? Third hydrocarbon is alkyne. Alkyne is identified by carbon-carbon triple bond. One triple bond must be there, right? And its suffix is I. Root word plus suffix, there will be alkyne. Again, if there is a triple bond, so at least we need 2 carbons. So methane will not be possible. Meth we use for 1 carbon. So alkene and alkyne both start with 2 carbons. N equal to 2, and its basic general formula is CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. Now put the value to C2H2. For 2 carbon we use it, and suffix is ine. So this is ethyne. If we understand the electronic dot structure, that is a triple bond between 2 carbons. So this is alkyne and this is ethyne. Why? Because 2 carbons are there. Put the value 3. C3H4. For 3 carbon, prop, suffix is ine. This is propyne. Again we can see the difference. There is a difference of CH2 group between 2 consecutive members. Put for C4 H6. This is butane. N5 C5 H8 C5 H8, that is pentane. N equal to 6 C6 H10. This is hexane. So we have 2 types of hydrocarbons: saturated means alkane, unsaturated means alkene and alkyne. Alkane, carbon carbon single bond, alkene carbon carbon double bond and alkyne carbon carbon triple bond. That is complete hydrocarbon. In next lecture, we will understand a homologous series and functional groups. Thank you.